Why you need to buy Tesla stocks in this pandemic. A fund manager at a $1.2 billion firm suggests buying every downturn in Tesla shares. You know why? Because its long-term growth potential is obvious. Hello and welcome to the Tesla News Today. Today, we are going to talk about buying Tesla stocks in this pandemic, even if it's going through a downfall. According to some traders should buy Tesla whenever the opportunity arises. On CNBC's Trading Nation, Michael Bapis, managing director of private wealth management firm with $1.2 billion in assets under control, predicted that Tesla will be the industry's long-term leader. On the broadcast, Bapis, managing director of Vios Advisors at Rockefeller Capital Management, said, "Anytime you get the chance to buy it, buy it." Bapis and Tesla did not answer to insiders' requests for more information right away. Elon Musk's electric vehicle company's stock fell about 1% on Wednesday, extending a year-to-date loss of about 15%. Bapis remarked on the broadcast that the stock rose too much too fast last year because of the market volatility induced by the COVID-19 pandemic. Even yet, institutions that don't own the stock are going to be questioned. Why, he said, adding that sales and earnings are increasing rapidly in addition to the technology the company is producing. Tesla said last week that vehicle sales in China increased by 29% month-over-month in May. According to CNBC, Mizuho analysts restated their bullish sentiment on the company on Tuesday, saying that the stock had room to rise 15% this year. Tesla, which has had 24% market share, will remain on top, according to Bapis, to enter in the electric vehicle sector. In the previous year, several electric vehicle manufacturers have gone public through special purpose acquisition companies, or SPACs. Kano and Lordstown Motors are two of the newly public firms, both of which have had a rough year so far, but have surged in recent weeks amid a meme stock frenzy fueled by retail traders. Unless someone comes in and breaks through the difficult barriers to entry, you're going to continue to see this stock grow long-term, Bapis said of Tesla. Bapis is not the only one. We have more critics giving difficult evaluations. Tesla shares are expected to reach at least $3,000 by 2025, according to ARK Invest, which is led by the influential Cathie Wood. That's a 350% increase over Friday's close, and more than double ARK's own $1,400 price estimate from last year. In fact, even the worst-case bear scenario, ARK believes Tesla shares will hit an absolute bottom of $1,500 in 2025. In lunchtime trading Monday, Tesla or TSLA shares were up more than 6% to $697. ARK raised its expectations regarding Tesla's ability to efficiently use its cash to finance its ambitious development goals, which is why its price objective has shifted so dramatically from last year, according to Kenny. In some jurisdictions, ARK is now factoring in the profits it anticipates Tesla to make from selling auto insurance to its customers. Keeney also wrote on Musk's promised robotaxi ride-hailing service, claiming that ARK now estimates there's a 50% chance Tesla will be able to accomplish fully autonomous driving by 2025, and that such a service would bring $160 billion in yearly revenue by that time. Other Tesla critics, on the other hand, were quick to reject ARK's study, claiming that it failed to account for the expense of Tesla's projected growth. It seems ARK believes Tesla will have $300 billion to $700 billion in 2025 revenues versus $31.5 billion in 2020, with no new debt and equity issuance, said Gordon Johnson of GLJ Research and a critic. Given everyone is talking about ARK's price target, the assumption in ARK's model should be heavily scrutinized. When we did a bet, a picture emerges of potentially flawed, misinformed model, in our opinion. Due to rising competition, Tesla stock has been under pressure. Volkswagen, or VLKPF, General Motors, or GM, and Ford, F, have all increased their investment in electric vehicles. Despite the fact that Tesla is the obvious leader in electric vehicle sales, with 500,000 vehicles sold last year, Volkswagen may soon take over Tesla. Meanwhile, GM trails both Tesla and Volkswagen in terms of market share, but it has established a target of only selling emissions-free vehicles by 2035. And there are early signs that the new Ford Mustang Mach-E is stealing market share from Tesla in the United States. Some opponents, in contrast to ARK's optimistic perspective, wonder if completely autonomous vehicles are as close as proponents claim. Tesla's stock has been knocked down by these fears in recent weeks. Following a 743% increase in 2020, Tesla has plummeted for the majority of the last 2 months, entering bear market territory. Despite the recent drop, the company's market value is nearly equal to the aggregate market capitalization of the world's 6 major automakers by car sales. So what is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, ring the bell icon and don't forget to like our video as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.